Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making some delicious banana buns recipe, and if you are just stopping by, I want to say a huge thank you to all of my oldies. I want to say thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. Come on guys, let's get right into the video. Here I have about 20 cups of flour. It's already sieved, so go ahead and sieve your flour for this banana buns recipe. Okay, so I'm going to add powdered milk. Just go in with your powdered milk. If you want to go in with cinnamon, just go in with a pinch. Okay, just a pinch of cinnamon. It's optional, but if you want to go in with cinnamon, go in with just a pinch, because it's not everybody that wants to hear the the strong flavor of cinnamon. So I'm going to go in with nutmeg. So just grate your nutmeg in like so. This buns is going to taste amazing, and the aroma will be heavenly. Just grate your cinnamon. Go in with your salt. Not up to a teaspoon of salt. I'm doing banana buns mixture. So here's my banana. I want to still pick some of it. That's why I'm not crushing everything completely. You can blend it, you can puree it, but I still want to have some pieces. I like to have some pieces of banana in my puff puff, in my buns. I'll set this aside and then mix my dried ingredients together. Now I'm going to mix my milk, my cinnamon, and my nutmeg and the salt. Remember, I went in with flour, I added cinnamon, I added milk, powdered milk, and then I added my nutmeg and salt. This is self-rising flour, so you don't need butter, except if you still want to add butter, you can go ahead. I want it healthy, and I want to leave it as healthy as I can. So I'm going to go in with my sugar. Like I said, make sure you always sieve your things, your flour, your sugar, just to make sure you don't have any kind of dirt going into your food. Just mix everything nicely. But if you feel you want to add baking powder, you can go ahead and add baking powder if you want to. I decided to add a little of this baking powder. So guys, I added just a little pinch of baking soda because I want it very soft. Want to mix until it is well incorporated, and then here you just make a little well here, and then add your banana, and then you start mixing. This is buns, so banana has to be cold. You're not doing anything on room temperature. Now this is not puff puff. It has to be chilled. You just add your water as you go. Don't add it at once. Add your water as you go. That way you have the right consistency. You don't want to put too much water now. Otherwise you're going to miss the consistency. You will miss it completely. So can you see? I'm just going to mix until it is well incorporated. I'm not going to add any more water. Otherwise, you will mess the batter up. So mix until it is nice. It's just a very simple recipe. I have different types of buns recipe on my channel, but this is another quick one I used to make for my family, and decided that I want to show you guys. So you can do this if you want to be fast. If you're running late to any event and you think you want to be fast but you need to make something, trust me, you are going to love that you did. This is a fantastic recipe. Remember not to run too much water through this. I'm still going to add some flour just to help it. So guys, once you're mixing your buns like this, remember it's all purpose, okay, and it's like this, it means that you need some more flour. So don't worry, all you need to do, excuse me, all you need to do, I forgot to sieve, I'm sieving it so that way my dough will be very fluffy and my buns will come out nice. So just sieve some flour into it, don't worry about it. Normally you have to have some dried flour in your buns mixture, okay, since you're not doing it on the table, so you still need some flour to hold it nicely. So go ahead, add some flour to it if you need to. Don't even worry yourself, it's still going to come out so beautiful, trust me, nice and delicious. So that's all you want to do. I added just 2 cups of flour extra. You need this flour, don't add any more water. You are going to see the result at the time we are done. This is it for your buns mixture. Look at that. Look at this. This is how you want to throw it in. And yeah, we're going to start frying in a minute. Okay, I'm just going to close it up like so and set it aside while I get my oil ready, just for it to rest for like 10 minutes, 15 minutes, then we'll start. So here is my oil. I'm going to add some onion. This is to make sure my buns is flavorful. This is to give my buns a very flavorful aroma. So I'm going to start adding my buns. This shows that my oil is ready and we are good to go. Yes, our buns has been resting since 10 minutes ago. You want to start putting it in, okay? Yeah. Throw it in like so. Make sure you're watching it closely so that it doesn't get burnt, guys. Children love this recipe a lot and it's quick and very easy. Simple recipe you will love to try. Go ahead and try this. Make sure you don't overcrowd it, guys. Just make sure you have enough. Just make sure you have enough. Some of them are already giving me that brown color. So as it's giving you that brown golden color, you just want to be turning it around like so. First you want to turn it around with something like this, you know. Even if you have your barbecue skewer, you can go ahead and use it. This is also my barbecue skewer, so I'm using it. You see what I'm saying? You just need something like this just to turn it around before you bring it out. It's coming out nicely. It's really, really good, guys. This is so good. This is my banana buns recipe. So guys, I'm going to get some out. Some are ready, some are not ready. So all you want to do is to bring out those ones that are ready and then leave the ones that are not ready. So I'm going to bring these ones out like so. Look at that. It looks so good. So we already got some out, started eating some already as usual. It's so delicious, guys. Please give this video a thumbs up. Please support your sister. Give me a thumbs up. Share my videos to your friends and loved ones. I just add some flour to make sure I put some flour in my hand in order to get it rolled up like so. It's rolled up like so. Throw it in while these ones will be cooking. That way it will be faster. That way you'll be faster, especially when you're running out. So we're going to keep frying until we have all of them ready. You guys, look at the quantity we already got. This is the much we have gotten, and then we are going in with some more. Just if I need to lower it, I lower it so that it doesn't get burnt. If I need to high it, I high it. So I'm going to lower it again. I'm just going to lower it and put it on 7 because I want inside to cook well. You're just going to be controlling it anyways. You don't want inside to cook halfway. You want everything to cook nicely. So you can either put it on 6 or you put it on 7, you know, just so that it will cook inside and outside. You know, I'll show you at the end of the day so you see how it looks like. You don't want your oil too hot. At the same time, you don't want your oil cold. So you just keep controlling it. That's all I'm going to say. See this golden brown beautiful buns. Here guys, we are at the last batch. Guys, we are done with our buns. This is it. Let me show you. Look at that. Look at that. Look at how beautiful. Can you hear that? I hope you try this for your family, friends, and loved ones. Which is to be loving, be kind, be merciful. God loves a merciful heart. See you in my next video. Ciao, ciao. Look at that golden brown beautiful buns. Guys, our families love this recipe a lot. And honestly speaking, when anyone is doing anything, I just love to take this recipe because it makes a very huge difference. Try this, guys, and let me see your comments. God bless you. Thank you.